Hey everyone, welcome back to Mind Over Markets. I'm so glad you're here today. Let's start with a question. Do you remember the first time you dipped your toes into trading? That rush, that excitement, thinking, if I just pick the right stock or crypto, I'll double my money in no time. I was there too. I dove in, heart racing, dreaming of big wins. My first few trades, pure magic. I felt like a genius. But then, one bad market move wiped out half my savings. Years of hard work, gone in a flash. Sound familiar? That moment taught me a lesson I'll never forget. Winning big isn't the goal. Surviving long term is. Today, I'm sharing the golden rules of capital management that transformed my trading journey, and they might just change yours too. So, grab a coffee, settle in, and let's dive into the stories and lessons that can protect your account and keep you in the game. Trading is like sailing across a stormy ocean. The waves, market swings, can hit hard. Without a sturdy boat, you're sunk. Your boat? That's your trading account, and the way you protect it is through capital management. Let's start with the first golden rule. Imagine you've got a $10,000 account. You're buzzing with possibilities. Every trade feels like a ticket to success. But here's the reality. One wrong move can destroy you. So, how do you stay safe? The 1-2% rule. This is your fortress. It means risking no more than 1% of your account on any single trade. For $10,000, that's just $100 per trade. Lose one trade, you're down 1%. 2 trades, 2%. Even if you lose 10 trades in a row, ouch, I know, you're still left with 90% of your account. 90%. Feel that power? Now, picture the opposite. You risk 10% per trade chasing quick riches. One loss, $1,000 gone. 5 losses, half your account, $5,000 vanished. Ask yourself, if you saw your balance cut in half, could you stay calm? Or would panic take over, pushing you to overtrade or chase revenge? Let me tell you about my friend Alex, a talented new trader. In just 2 weeks, he turned $10,000 into $20,000 with 5 winning trades. He thought he'd cracked the code, the holy grail. Then, he heard a hot tip about a stock ready to soar. He went all in, $20,000 on one trade. The market flipped. In hours, his account was zero. All that work, gone in a single trade. If you were Alex, what would you do differently? The 1-2% rule isn't about getting rich quick. It's about giving you the right to be wrong and still stay in the game. Think of your account like a car on a long road trip. You don't slam the gas pedal on every turn. You pace yourself, keep control, and avoid burning out. Trading's the same. Risk small, stay disciplined, and you'll outlast the storms. So, are you using the 1-2% rule? If not, today's the day to start. Now, let's talk about discipline. I'll be honest, I've broken my own rules before. Early on, I had a hot streak, 4 winning trades, profits piling up. I felt unstoppable, like the king of the market. So, I thought, why not double my trade size? More risk, more reward. Then, the next trade tanked. I lost twice as much as I planned. Desperate to recover, I placed even bigger trades. Guess what? I lost everything I'd gained, and more. It wasn't just the money, it was the sting of disappointing myself. Have you been there? That moment when you know you broke your own rules. Discipline is the backbone of capital management. It's not just about risking 1-2%. It's about sticking to it, especially when you're winning or losing. Why do we slip after wins? Because euphoria tricks us into thinking we're invincible. After losses, pain pushes us to prove we're right, leading to reckless trades. I knew a trader who grew his account from $30,000 to $45,000 in 3 months, risking just 1% per trade. Solid, right? But then one bad news day cost him $3,000. Instead of pausing, he tripled his trade sizes to get it back. In a week, his account dropped to $24,000. One moment of lost discipline erased months of progress. Sound familiar? So, how do you stay disciplined? Here are 5 steps. 1. Write your rules like 1% risk per trade and post them where you trade. Read them daily. 2. Set a daily loss limit. Lose 2 trades? Stop for the day to reset your emotions. 3. Plan every trade. Entry, stop loss, take profit. Never change it mid-trade because of feelings. 4. Accept losses as normal. Trading is a probability game. Don't get too high on wins or low on losses. 5. Keep a trading journal. Log every trade, every emotion, every lesson. It's your mirror for growth. Start one of these today. It's not about perfection. It's about small, consistent steps. Let's get real. Losses hurt. Early in my trading, every loss felt like a personal failure. I'd blame the market, the news, even my broker, anything but myself. But here's the truth. Losses are part of trading. Even legends like Ray Dalio, Jesse Livermore, or George Soros have losing streaks. Trading isn't about never losing. It's about how you handle losses. The real golden rule: accept losses as natural and manage risk so they don't break you. Picture your account as that boat on a stormy river. Each loss is a wave. Risk 1-2% per trade, and even 10 losses leave you with 80-90% of your account. Plenty to keep sailing. Risk 10%, 5 losses, and half your boat is underwater. Can you stay calm with half your account gone? I had a friend with a $50,000 account. He was disciplined, risking 2% per trade, and grew it to $60,000. Then a string of bad news hit. 5 losses, $6,000 gone. Manageable, right? But the pain of losing got to him. Instead of stopping, he tripled his trades to recover. In 3 days, he lost $18,000 more. His account dropped to $36,000, and worse, his confidence was shattered. He quit trading, heartbroken. Do you see yourself in his story? How would you handle a losing streak? Here's the thing. Trading is a game of probabilities, not certainties. You will lose sometimes, even when you do everything right. The difference between those who succeed and those who burn out? Survivors manage their losses and keep going. The market will always be there, but will you? If you risk small and stay disciplined, you'll outlast the toughest storms and seize the opportunities that follow. Trading isn't about hitting home runs. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. I've seen traders with millions blow it all by risking 20-30% per trade, and I've seen others with just $10,000 build wealth by risking 1%, staying disciplined, and embracing losses as part of the journey. Which one are you? If you lost 10 trades in a row tomorrow, would your account survive? Would your mindset hold up? Pause and ask yourself that. capital management, risking 1 to 2%, staying disciplined, accepting losses, won't make you rich overnight, but it will keep you alive to learn, grow, and win. There's a saying I love: the market will outlast you if you don't manage your capital. The ultimate winner isn't the smartest, it's the one who endures. If you're still here, thank you, truly. Most people chase quick wins or magic formulas, but you're different. You're here to learn how to survive and thrive. That's the foundation of lasting success. So, start today. Risk small, stay disciplined, keep a journal, and never stop learning. The road ahead is long, but I'll be here with you, sharing more lessons to light the way. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Let's help each other stay on the right path. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep trading smart, stay resilient, and let's build that financial future together.